All right, guys, so this is a supplement video for the installation of the Atlas mount. The Atlas mount installation is identical to the normal swiveling mount kit installation, so you'll follow those instructions and they're identical except for one detail, and that is how to adjust the forward back pitch angle tension of the screen. The screen swivels. There's no adjustment for the swivel to position it. You swivel it with your hand, but you can adjust the tension at which it swivels. And that is done with these two screws under here. So you would take the Allen wrench, put it into each screw, and give it a very slight turn, maybe a 16th of a rotation to tighten it, or a 16th of a rotation to loosen it, each screw. So if you find that it's too stiff and you want to loosen it, you would merely put this Allen wrench in, turn it the tiniest bit counterclockwise. If you want it stiffer, you would put the Allen wrench in the screw, turn it clockwise just that little bit, just maybe a half inch or about 12 millimeters movement at the end of the Allen wrench, and then check the adjustment and then adjust it further. This orientation is the mount inverted. Normally the mount is in the car this way, and those screws would be accessed from underside behind the screen. They're easy to access, and you would just use the Allen wrench. So other than that, the installation is identical to the swivel mount screen instructions, so you'll follow those.